Tips and tricks for generating great leads. Do you know how to generate great leads for your business? Have you mastered the basic principles of lead generation? If so, you can still benefit from the advice you are about to read. If not, you need to understand these techniques so that you can start to boost your sales. If digital advertising is something you are utilizing, set up landing pages for use by your potential leads. Landing pages tailored to your target audience will be twice as effective as any other pages on your site. This way customers get exactly the page they have been searching for. Add in a contact form, too, and you should see your leads soar. Create engaging content. Lead generation relies a lot on building trust with your product or service. Smart targeted content does a lot to help get you there. Your target audience will be more likely to do business with you if they feel you are providing great service and that you legitimately care. Don't forget about having a follow-up plan. Once you have generated some leads, it is important to remember that you need to turn those leads into paying clients or customers. Have a plan in place so that you can begin that work as soon as you get some quality leads. Know going in that lead generation is a time-consuming and ongoing process. It's not a set it and forget it situation. You need to work at it. It takes building trust and thought leadership in the markets in which you sell. Be patient and work hard and you'll really reap the rewards. Avoid overkill in your information gathering. Many leads will be happy to supply basic information. However, with each data field that your potential lead needs to fill, their desire to continue wanes. Gather the basics that will be necessary to qualify the lead without pushing for every bit of information you can gather. Consider local garage sales if your business is focused locally. For example, if you run a garage, you could host a table at a neighborhood sale selling tools or first aid kits. You can let people know about how honest and reliable you are face to face, increasing your reputation and generating leads. Know your target market. When you understand the specific group that most needs the products or services you offer, you will be able to reach them more efficiently. For example, if you are trying to reach elderly customers, you have a better chance of generating leads if you avoid a skateboard shop. Be sure to maximize your use of social media. If you don't have enough followers, you can hold a giveaway to boost your numbers. While those people may not be interested in what you're selling, their friends who are may see your posts on their feed and follow you themselves. This video has taught you a great deal about effective lead generation, but there is still more to learn. The more that you know about generating great leads, the better off you will be. Start using these tips and tricks today, and you will start to see the results you want before long. Student loan.